Papers are consumed every day in houses, institutions, in offices that would go straight to trash cans once used, contributing to waste.
According to the Anumina Care Foundation, the overuse and misuse of paper are contributing to the destruction of our natural world through deforestation, energy and water consumption, waste generation, and climate change. To find a solution to these problems, we decided to build a robot that produces paper from paper waste, aligning our study with Sustainable Development Goal number 12, Responsible Consumption and Production.
To begin, we must first identify the process on how to create paper made from paper waste and try it manually. First, we blend the paper in a container with water until fine. Secondly, we soak a rectangular mesh into the solution. Lastly, we wait for it to dry.
Going back to the prototype, we made use of our plyboard measuring 19.5 inches in height and 25 times 11 inches in length. So since creating paper made from paper waste undergoes some processes, our prototype consists of a hand blender, a water pump, a mesh connected to a compressor, and 2 heat guns.
It starts from the top. There's an opening where you will put the shredded paper. The shredded paper will be soaked in water from the water pump, and it will be blended here during the process.
The servo will drop and the solution will pour into the mesh. The servo connected to the compressor will drop the solution in the rectangular mesh. The 2 heat guns will start working until the paper is fully dried. The first one that will go into the function is the blender and the water pump. For the time of the water pump, it is 10 seconds. Same time by the process of the blender by 1 minute. Then after that, after 1 minute, the servo connected here in the blending process is going to open, then proceed to the mesh.
After it is fully placed on the mesh, the compressor will go down for 6 minutes and the heat gun will be open for 6 minutes, drying the paper in the process.
Then after that, the compressor will open after 6 minutes. Then you can fully have the new paper.
After a lot of tests, trials, and errors, our prototype is successfully working, consistently creating 1/4 sheet of paper. The paper's quality is smooth, thin, and can be written on, which is very close to the quality of an Oslo paper.
The prototype takes 30 minutes to complete the paper making process. Each part of the prototype executes its purpose to fully create paper made from paper waste.
Overall, we have made the prototype fulfill its function and maintain its durability within the day.
Through PaypyBot, we can able to recycle paper waste to create new ones and help resolve the overconsumption of paper, starting in schools and help reduce the cutting of trees in able to produce it. Contributing to Sustainable Development Goal number 12, Responsible Consumption and Production.